Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And I'm super annoyed. As you can tell, the voice is not matching with the video. And it's because the first half of the video, when I unbox all of these nail polishes and then talk about it, none of it got any sound. So I've had to cut out a lot. I did a lot of talking. I did a lot of comparing with what's already in my collection, and it was all lost. So I'm gonna do this little voiceover here for this part. You can see on the screen what's in there. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to tell you all about it like I did. I'm so annoyed right now. So just doing this much is about all I can muster because I'm not starting over. And I really liked this collection, so it's super unfortunate. Surprisingly enough, we did get 2 free mini polishes as our free gifts, as well as that glass nail file. Now this one, interestingly, I already own this polish in also that tiny little size. I had bought it as part of a pick as many as you pick for a price. Super pretty. It's not like any of the other polishes that came in the collection. It's a bit of a different vibe. Here's the other mini. I didn't actually have one like this one. Super vibrant, super pink. It's a neon collection. Turns out I'm a huge fan of neons. This one is also really pretty, really high quality. The Orly creams are really good. If you're not signed up for Orly and you are a nail polish user, I definitely recommend doing the Color Pass. This is the summer 2026 Color Pass called Club Tropicana. You get 6 polishes. They're quarterly, so they're seasonal, which I think is great because when it's every month, that's really a lot of product and you're never going to have the opportunity to really use it. So just getting it every 3 months, I like better. And these polishes are huge. If I'm not mistaken, they're like 18 milliliters per bottle. So like the chances of ever running out of them are very slim, and they're quality. Now we're gonna go through the polishes. Unfortunately, all my commentary is gone. I hope you're able to read those labels because honestly, I cannot remember what they were. I've already unboxed it and did the nails and put all these polishes away, and I'm not about to go dig them out just to be able to read the colors. I'll list them in the description below. We got 2 toppers and we got 4 creams. I did compare them to polishes I already had in my collection to see if I had anything that was dupe worthy. I don't. I do have some things that are similar, and then some of the polishes I had nothing like that at all, which was a surprise to me actually. Somehow the sound does resume like right after I get done showing you all the polishes when it's time for the nail art. Unfortunately, when I was about halfway through the fingers, the video got fuzzy, like blurry. Sometimes it just does, but because I'm not watching the monitor while I'm painting, I don't notice because my hand is nowhere near my laptop. So I did have to cut out all that, which you'll see that I'm like doing nails and then all of a sudden we're at the end of the fingers. It's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. I really debated with myself about whether I was going to do a voiceover or just stick some music on it, but I hate music over videos. I like to hear the rambling, so I figured at least I could do that for you. So if you like to listen, here's my chatter. It might not be saying much, but here it is, and I hope it is at least entertaining because I am so pissed. And if you have ever lost footage to technical difficulties or negligence, you know how pistivity it is. But it's about to resume some actual sound. All right, it's everybody's favorite part. It's time for the nail art. I have prepared my nails so that we can go right in with the art. We're gonna start with the pinky, and I painted this one white because we're gonna put down a little sponge gradient first. I don't know why my sponges always get like this debris, these little particles of ew. Like, where does that even come from? Make sure you clean up your little overrunnings when you do a sponge gradient. Now I'm gonna have to top coat this one in before we're able to move on with the nail art for it. So we'll do that real quick, and then we'll be able to go and work on the others while this one dries. So for this next one, we're gonna do a bit of a blobby nail art and then a colorful leopard on top of it. All right, so for this one, we're gonna put down just a yellow base. And I probably will do a second coat of that just for opacity. But we're gonna come on top of that with like some pink zebra-y stripes. This one, we're gonna do a purple base. I don't believe that's gonna need a second coat. That is vibrant. And then on this one, we're gonna do another yellow. Okay, so I'm gonna give a moment for these to dry. I'll do the second coat, we'll get it top coated, and then I will come back when we're ready for the next step of the nail art. All right, so we're ready for the art. I am just gonna start over here and we're gonna work our way across. I'm gonna do it in fast forward, but hang in there and give it a peek if you wanna see what we do. All right, so we've got our art on there. I did go ahead and cover all of these with the Maniology Aqua Topper. I know you guys have heard me talk about it a million times. To protect my art, I'm gonna dry these and then I'll be able to put on the full top coat. This is my least favorite nail here. I think it's too busy, too crowded. I would have done it differently if I did it again, but the other ones I like. This one I really like. This one I think is my favorite. This one I'm okay with. I feel like the two shades of pink, the pink and the orange, they're very similar. And so putting them near each other is a little bit hard to see the difference at a distance. This one was initially designed to go on top of a nude, but I decided to put purple because I wanted to be able to incorporate it. And then this one's like, meh, very basic, very beginner friendly. But I'm gonna go ahead and dry these and then I will top coat them and then we'll come back and have a final look. I meant to incorporate the toppers in here, but obviously I did not manage to do so. All right, so here is our final nails. I do like them. I'm a fan of neons, oddly enough. Let me know, do you like this nail polish collection? Do you like the color story? What do you think about the toppers? Unfortunately, we didn't get to use them. Have you used Orly? If you are in fact even a nail polish girly, let me know. And then let me know which one of these nails is your favorite. As we discussed, this one is my favorite and this one is my least favorite. And if you were to do